Hi Weber fans, so today I'm going to show you the quickest and most efficient way to clean your Weber Genesis. So let's jump straight into it. Don't forget, everything you use in my video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, so make sure you check those out. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Right, so as I said in today's video, what we're going to be doing is a massive clean on the Weber Genesis. Now, whether you've had your Genesis stored over winter or you've just getting it out for spring, I like to clean mine before I put it away. So obviously it's coming to winter now in Australia. While we've got this really bad weather coming in, I thought I'd give it a really good clean. But what we'll do is we'll jump in and I'll quickly show you what I use. So what we'll do is jump straight into it. Right, if you're like me, you like the occasional grill and it does make a mess. Now the biggest problem I have with the Genesis is the cleaning. The cleaning is a nightmare. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to clean it, and all you're going to need are a few items, and I will put links in the description below of everything I use today, so make sure you check those out. You can either use some Weber cleaner, but today I'm going to be using some Selly's BBQ Tough Cleaner. This is really cool as well, and they also do wipes. A really good product, really cheap. It's a lot cheaper than what the Weber products are. And it works fantastic. It's awesome for cleaning your Weber barbecue. You're also going to need either some old newspaper or some paper towel. You're going to want a foil tray just to catch the excess, save it going into your normal drip tray, and you're going to want some tin foil. And last but not least, the steamer. Now these are fantastic, and you get an actual brush with these, so they're really good for getting to the crevices. What we'll do is we'll jump in, have a look at the state of the Genesis, and get to cleaning it. So what we'll do is jump straight into it. Right, so before we start, as you can see, we've done a lot of smoking on the Genesis and there's a lot of grease and grime in there. Now, I do clean it consistently, but what we're going to do is going to zoom in and I'm going to do a big, deep clean. So what we'll do is zoom in and I'll show you how we do it. So don't forget everything used in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. So make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so as you can see, that was an easy, simple way to clean your Weber BBQ, and it does save a lot on water. Just by using that steamer alone, you've seen the amount of grum and grime I got out of my Genesis, and there wasn't a lot of water in there, and it's just a fact of using that steamer. And whatever products you like, you can use the Weber products, you can use the Sellies products, exactly the same as what I've used. Like I said, there will be links in the description below for everything I've used. And I find that really easy. I mean, you can use a jet wash if you like. The only issue with that is you're going to end up with grease and grime all over your floor, and I just find it a nightmare. So it's a really simple process just to take that lid off, give it a spray, leave it for 20-30 minutes, and then give it a good steam clean, and away you go. And those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, and contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is we'll cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.